In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use copyrighted music here on YouTube. There's actually four main ways that you can use copyrighted music here in YouTube that YouTube specifically states that you're able to do here in their guidelines. Just quick reminder, this obviously isn't legal advice, just information for creators. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Now, the first thing I want to say is you could just use it. You could technically add any song, but YouTube is going to flag you for doing it, meaning that your audio could get blocked or the ad revenue goes to the music owner, which is fine if you're just making something like memes, but not great if you actually want to make money off of your content. The second thing you could do is pay for licensing. A lot of big name tracks cost thousands, but a lot of different services like Epidemic Sound, for example, give you a safe to use music subscription. They have plugins and even AI tools to match songs to your video, which is pretty cool. But if you want to pay even less and would like to pay specifically for a song-to-song basis, you can actually do this straight through YouTube. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon and then selecting YouTube Studio. And from YouTube Studio, go ahead and select Creator Music Beta. And then from here, you'll see these options right here where songs cost about $1.99. You can also go on this exact same page into free tracks right here, which is going to be YouTube's audio library, and it's going to let you use tracks if you add credit in your description. Not even all of these you have to add in your description, and it's free. And on top of that, if you set the duration to forever, there's a 100% guarantee that long-term ownership is not going to change and you'll never get striked for these videos. Now, the last thing that you could do is make your own music with AI. Apps like GarageBand or even AI music generators let you create tracks yourself. You're going to own the copyright, but it does take time and AI isn't perfect. If you want just quick and free, credit-based is going to help you out, or you could DIY music as well. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.